The next question is about Komal. Hi guys! So Palana and I are back, and this time it's not a challenge video. I'm sure you must have read it in the title. So we have been receiving a lot of messages that Upalana, Cherry and Shraddha should be in the videos, but then we have new talents doing our videos and we really appreciate that.
Any which ways, Popexo is a platform where we like to promote more and more new talents. They come up with fresh ideas, fresh content. I just don't see any reason for us to not accept them. And
I think it's very refreshing when different people are doing. So I think we receive so much love. We really appreciate that. We really go through your comments and we love that you guys love our videos. But then recently we have been receiving a lot of negative comments, and
to that point, they're actually harsh. They're rude.
that's really rude.
We're open to criticism. That's just clear-cut rudeness, guys.
So we actually thought of sitting down today and talking about all the negativity that's going on. So let's start with the most trending one.
Yeah. So we don't want Astha. We don't like Astha. Why don't we like Astha? Why don't we want Astha?
I'm sure guys you don't even know
Who she is.
So Astha is a new comedy talent. She has not replaced Komal. She has joined Popexo and she is a member in our team. She is a trained actor and she comes from a theatre background, so I think she's doing pretty well in her videos. I mean, I love her videos personally.
Very much a part of Popexo family. She is friends with Cherry, me, and I think she does wonderfully in her videos. She's brilliant with her acting and we fail to understand where is she going wrong.
Yeah.
Content
Plus,
wise.
I feel that you guys are only talking about the talents, but the content is getting missed. We put in a lot of hard work and effort in all our videos.
We feel very happy that you want us, you want to see us, but we also don't want you to like us for our faces. You rather like us for the content that we're sharing, and Astha is doing a great job.
Yes.
So we should pay more attention to the script. If you think it's funny, laugh about it. Be a critique about the work and not the person.
Okay, let's just see a few comments about Astha. Astha has replaced Komal. No, I just told you Astha has not replaced Komal. Oh, one comment. Rashpreet Kaur has written Astha is awesome.
Heart. Why are you there in all the videos, not the other people? Komal and Cherry, come back. Did you like the role she played? If it was a comedy video, did you think it made you laugh? Then I think what we're trying to do is done. It doesn't matter if I did it or Cherry did it or Komal did it. You guys are missing out on the whole point of what we are trying to do.
So the next question, has Komal left Popexo? Yes guys, she has left Popexo.
So yeah, it was amazing working with her, but now she's not a part of this place and we have more people coming in. So
We have new talents, so I'm sure you guys will start loving them too. So Palana, why don't you tell them why we're not there in the videos?
So guys, now that you already know, Popexo has different channels now. Popexo Fashion, Popexo Beauty, Popexo Daily. So I take care of Popexo Fashion with Roshni and Cherry takes care of Popexo Beauty with Shraddha. Obviously we do more videos on those channels, but you'll keep seeing us on Daily as well.
Yeah, so we'll try and do more and more videos so that you don't miss us.
Aww.
That's really cute. Guys, I haven't left Popexo. If you have been watching,
Not letting her go.
you're watching me right now. I haven't left Popexo. There's so many comments that I've left Popexo, but I haven't. Mariam has replied, Cherry should be in the videos. Okay guys, I will try and be in more and more videos so that you guys don't miss me and those...
Only if you could photobomb videos.
Yeah, I will just come and say hi in every video so that you guys know that I haven't left Popexo.
Namita Nyogi.
Yeah, Astha did little bit overacting.
That's your personal opinion.
Yeah,
You
that's
can't
your
comment. Which is fine. This is related to the acting or related to the video that we've shown you, so that's fine.
Khushi has said, I just hate this girl very much. Hate is a very strong word, Khushi. I mean, no one can hate anyone. You can dislike Astha, but you can't hate.
You don't even know her personally to hate her.
Astha to hate her.
That's just so wrong.
Yeah. Let's just see Shraddha and Upalana take on the who's most likely to. I haven't watched the video. A lot of good comments about you guys. Dope shop. Okay. Why people are overreacting that Komal has left? Like everyone has a life other than YouTube. She might be on vacations. Yesterday Komal was in a video, so she is not gone. Like I've just cleared that Komal has left PopXO. And yes, people do have a life. They can move on.
And actually, I'm impressed. Dope Shop.
Yeah.
Dope Shop. Sorry.
Dope shop.
Great take on it. Great take on it.
Yes. Let's see types of people you meet at the gym. We have a lot of new people there, so. The new girl who was clicking selfie was not good. How else do we take selfies? I mean, that's pretty normal.
And how are we defining looking good and looking bad? Who decides that, guys?
Who are these new people? Okay, some slang language is also going on here. Avantika Balaji.
Oh,
Okay.
can't say it. It's a beep word.
Okay, these are our new actors who will be coming in our future videos. So I think you guys should start accepting them rather than hating them.
They're proper actors, guys, from theatre. We're bringing you fresh faces.
Usha Jain has commented, why is Arushi Simmer not a part of PopXO right now? Arushi left PopXO long back. Like it's been more than a year now.
Yeah, I know.
She's studying, so that's okay. And Simmer has also left PopXO.
Janvi?
I hate Asta. What's boring about her? I mean, I find her very interesting.
Do you realize she's playing a character in the
Yeah.
video, right?
That's not
her.
real Asta, okay? That's not real Asta. She's playing a character in the video. I think that's pretty okay. I think that was pretty much it. We have replied to almost all the generic comments. And if you guys still have any questions, then comment down below. We would love to answer them. And yes,
Like, share, and subscribe, as we keep telling you.
we'll see you next time. Bye.